At her house, her parents' house listed for sale. Every time I found something wrong, she accused me of breaking it. I was like, what? She's like, oh, he did it. He did it.
I was working yesterday.
Yeah, right. Took the GFI plug wouldn't trip. I don't know what was wrong. I go, oh, this was fun. I was going to trip. It's not a big deal. And like there was a nail head on the roof that wasn't caught, but it's, you know.
Yeah, right.
Very small potatoes. What street again?
Norwood.
This is the Norwood sewer video. So I went out the back. The sewer clean out is under the laundry tub. And I went out. Let's see. I went out about 70 feet. I got to the main. So you're looking at the main right there, and now I'm coming back. Yep, 70 feet. So anyway, I used to be a teacher. I used to teach high school construction at Roseville, and I did this part-time. And I cut the program, so I started doing it part-time. Oh, this was like 16 years ago. Then they brought it back. You're supposed to call me to come back and teach it because I'm in the union, but we didn't. But that's okay. I don't want to go back after that. The little mineral buildup. It's a little mineral buildup there. That's only the top third of the pipe, so it's not going to cause a problem. Over time, it might get thicker. And you could do something called hydrojetting to clean that out, but I don't think you need it at this time. But Joe, that's more mineral buildup. He's got his PhD in engineering, and he's the chair of the construction management program in the state. And he actually started the program. They didn't have a program, and Joe had graduated from there, and he knew one of the deans, and they said, do you want to develop a construction management program? Because he knows a lot. He teaches part-time, and he built subdivisions. His dad's an architect. They've got a real estate company. What's it called? House, H-A-U-S. That's the real estate company. It's out in Shelby Township. It's a little. But Joe and I are going to start our own online school for training inspectors. So we started building a curriculum already. When my wife's a computer programmer, she was a nurse. I mean, she's a nurse now, but she was a computer programmer, so she's going to build a website for us. So, yeah, I told him, I saw how much money these other guys were making doing this, and they're like nobody. They have got no education, and I'm not doing this now or anything. But the guy brags about being a high school dropout, and I'm like, well, if he could do that, I could do that. So I told Joe, if there's ever 3 people that could build a successful one, it's us 3. Joe's got all his lessons from his programs. When the state all ready to go. I'm working on mine. My wife can build the website. So, that one area had a lot of buildup. I'm not sure why. Here's where it switches to cast iron. It's a lot of buildup right there. So it's a lot of buildup right there. You're probably about 80% blocked. Again, that could be hydrojetted and pretty much all of it washed out. If you snake it out, it only pokes a hole through the bottom like it is now. But if you hydrojet it, it's like a power washer with a spinning head on the end, and it'll get all that out. Over there at East English Village, those houses are all, they're built in the 20s, 30s, most of them. And the sewer line's only about 80 years.